When you go to bed at night and your head hits the pillow, do you worry? Are you concerned about your health or what would happen if you got sick? Have you ever heard the #1 reason for a personal bankruptcy is an illness? Do you think about the bills you need to pay, or do you wonder how secure your job is? You see, just over the past few years, times have changed dramatically, and the American dream seems to be slipping further away as people struggle for financial stability, vibrant health, and peace of mind. But times like this also offer great opportunities. Hi, I'm BK Barreco. A few years ago, I embarked on a mission to help people live better, to create a formula and an opportunity that would help people improve their physical health and their financial outlook. A plan to literally reinvent your life. And with the help of some great people, what we've created may just be the answer you've been searching for.
Everybody needs this product.
I think it's something for everybody.
I don't want anyone to come back at me in the future and be like, why didn't you tell me about it?
Your body's 63 trillion cells are constantly fighting the effects of unstable molecules called free radicals. They're brought on by the stress you're under, the foods you eat, the water you drink, even the air you breathe. These free radicals can damage your cells, increasing the chances for disease and speeding up the aging process. And if you're like most people, you don't get enough antioxidants to help your body combat them. Even worse, you and your family could be losing this battle. To protect your family from these modern-day health threats, everyone needs to supplement with vitamins and minerals. There is an answer. It's the VIMA Nutrition Program. VIMA stands for Vitamins, Essential Minerals, Mangosteen, and Aloe, and is a complete liquid nutritional foundation rooted in the Southeast Asian superfruit called the mangosteen. Just how popular is this superfruit? Dr. Oz recently named it as one of the top 5 superfoods you need to be eating right now. This antioxidant-rich formula, this one-a-day liquid supplement, contains 12 full-spectrum vitamins, more than 65 major trace and ultra-trace plant-source minerals, along with the powerful legendary properties of aloe vera and green tea. You know, VIMA is quite possibly the world's most powerful liquid antioxidant.
Kids, adults, seniors, anyone can use this product. It's simple, it's easy, and it's complete.
Being a professional football player, you're very active, you're very busy, have a tight schedule, so it's easy to take, you know, a V2 shot of VIMA and take it and go on the road. I mean, pack 10 or 15 of them if you want. If you're busy, you just pull one out the suitcase and it's one shot and you get everything you need in one daily supplement and you can go on about your day.
You can choose from a few clever ways to enjoy this VIMA formula. The incredibly popular VIMA 32-ounce bottle. And if you're looking for nutrition on the go, try our single-serving 2-ounce V2. For those of you with an active lifestyle, try VIMA Thirst, a convenient little packet with a big healthy hydration punch. Or for a smooth energy boost packed with all of VIMA nutrition, enjoy the delicious healthy energy drink or the super handy energy shot called Verve. And for the youngest members of the family, we bring you the incredibly delicious VIMA Next, a first-of-its-kind liquid children's supplement ideal for kids 2 to 12. It's the same VIMA formula, just different ways to get into the bodies of the people you care about.
And with a simple 2-ounce vitamin shot or 8-ounce energy drink, who would have ever thought that you'd be giving your body complete nutrition?
After I train and after a race, it's really important within the first 15 to 30 minutes to put the right nutrition into your body.
Have your supplementation that you can just throw in your gym bag, whether it's your purse, keep it in your car. The taste is out of this world.
You know, whether you're 2 or 102, when you drink VIMA, Verve, Next, or Thirst, it's really a clever way to get the critical nutrients your family needs every day. Well, we like to think of it as nutrition for a lifetime.
You know, they're getting the fast foods and they're just not getting their nutritional needs, not even coming close. And it really makes a difference, you know, if you can take your VIMA, get your 2 ounces in, and have all of your nutritional needs met.
I see it very reassuring to know that our bodies are getting the proper nutrition.
I have a 2-year-old daughter, and she takes VIMA every day. She asks for it every morning when she wakes up. She asks, Daddy, Daddy, I want my Mina.
Think about this. No more choking down pills or tablets. You know, try it for yourself, and you'll fall in love with the way you feel. I guarantee it with an empty bottle, money back, no questions asked, 30-day guarantee. There's no doubt that the VIMA formula is for everyone. In fact, Men's Journal magazine recently named VIMA the best overall super juice, placing it firmly as a person's only choice when it comes to selecting the best, most potent super juice available. And Miss Fitness magazine named Verve Product of the Year. But it's more than just this phenomenal clinically studied formula designed to improve your physical health. It's also an opportunity to improve your financial future.
Anyone that's concerned about their health or where the economy is right now, they've got to take a look at this opportunity.
I think with Vemma, it really is the perfect storm where you've got a long-term opportunity, but you've still got the sizzle and the excitement of a new startup.
This opportunity couldn't be any simpler. You know, there's no employees, there's no overhead, there's no stress about it. It's just a matter of getting the product into people's hands.
Well, I don't know if the Vemma opportunity is your answer, but it's quickly becoming the answer for tens of thousands of people and thousands of families just like yours. You see, as the owner, I made the decision not to pay tens of millions of dollars to those advertising agencies. Instead, I take those same dollars to reward people that fall in love with what this product can do and just let others know about it. You see, everyone agrees word-of-mouth advertising is the best form. I just pay you for it.
Well, you know, the Vemma product is easy to share. Vemma, Verve, either one, simply because today people have a desire to be well more than ever before.
Because I've had such huge results with the product myself, it's so easy to share with the people that I love and care about. I just hand them a V2 and they try it and they love it.
It's simply an act of giving it to somebody, here, check it out, they drink it for a month, and then they're already referring people.
At Vemma, we care about families. Helping people help people is at the core of our values. And at times like these, wouldn't you want to partner with a company that puts people before profits?
People want to be with a positive group of people, with a company that's got a great message. And we're out there to rescue them.
It's a noble purpose to help people change their lives health-wise and financially. So we love what we do. We have a passion for what we do. It's changed everything.
His commitment today to the newest member, to wanting to provide an opportunity that really gives not only a new member the hope of changing the condition financially, but giving them control, giving them the control of how to be able to do that. That's a company with heart.
To give you a great example of this philosophy, take a look at our Children's Next formula. Each time you buy a month's supply of what I know as the finest children's supplement available anywhere, we'll donate a month's supply to a child in need in the same country where it was purchased.
If you get good health and you get good nutrition, and then kids are going to grow up better and they're going to grow up smarter. I mean, it just makes all the difference in the world. And normally, when it goes to homeless kids, they're forgotten. This time, they're not forgotten.
When you're given a chance to help a child, if you're anything like me, how can you say no? At Vemma, we're all about helping people create peace of mind, both physically and financially, giving people what they want, less to worry about in life and more to celebrate. So is Vemma your answer? You tell me. Do you want the security of owning your own business and to stop letting others tell you what you're worth? Are you looking for worry-free financial freedom? Are you ready to become a brand partner with Vemma? If you think you deserve a shot at success, team up with us. Tap into our expertise. You see, Vemma will become $1 billion brand over the next few years. And right now, you have an opportunity to become a brand partner with us, a brand ambassador for the next great massively consumable product line.
So I'm excited about what's going to happen in the next couple of years as we take this brand from a few million a month to 100 million a month. Momentum, that's where the money's made. That's where we are right now with Verve and Vemma.
Thirst is incredible because it takes us into a whole new realm, a whole new marketplace.
Our infrastructure and brand building will give you the opportunity to create your own home-based business you can run from your computer anywhere in the world.
The Vemma Home Office team makes my life so much easier. You know, from the customer support on the phone to the shipping, it's phenomenal.
And at times like these, we've all seen the idea of corporate job security vanish. So you may be asked, where does a person turn now if they can't count on a job? Well, the answer is you need to start counting on yourself. You need to team up with us and create your own business and take advantage of an opportunity to create true financial freedom. And we're going to help you every step of the way with our proven 8-action-step plan that teaches you every aspect of becoming successful with Vemma.
And your momentum really comes from people knowing exactly what their first action step is. So the simplicity launched the program faster than what we could keep up with because everyone knew exactly what to do first.
And you know, other companies right now may be in crisis mode, but the timing and the opportunity for Vemma is incredible. You see, we're a solid company you can count on to make you look great in business, and we're poised for massive growth just over the next few years. All you need to do is take that first step and decide how much product you want to start with and place an order. There's no sign-up fees, there's no long-term commitments, just an amazing opportunity for you to build something you and your family can be proud of. And when you invest in yourself, I'll also invest in you by providing you with an impressive marketing website fully integrated with both Facebook and Twitter that will help you tell the story and handle a ton of details for you. Well, that's it. That's our story. And it'll only get better once you become a part of it. If what you've seen feels right to you, team up with the person that introduced you to Vemma, and let's get to work.